Your Honor, she gambled, she lost. End of story.
A preliminary in rem hearing for a debt amelioration is a pretty big ask.
Maybe so, but in this case, it is necessary. We cite dram shop liability.
Really? That old chestnut.
The casino let my client get drunk and gamble. In fact, they encouraged her to drink excessively. Theretofore, under that old chestnut, they are responsible for her losses.
I'll hear you out, Counselor, but I make no promise of a full trial.
Thank you. Here is a security video subpoenaed from the Desert Springs Casino. As you can see, it shows my client getting up from the slot machine with a drink in her hand. And she falls down. The casino took Ms. Mulroney to the hospital to treat a gash on her head. But the point is, Your Honor, she should have been cut off well before this.
We'd like to call a medical expert to testify to Miss Mulroney's level of intoxication. Dr. Preminger, you're medical consultant to the Desert Springs Casino.
That's right.
One question. Was Miss Mulroney drunk while gambling?
Objection. How in the world would that doctor know anything about my client?
Why don't we let the doctor answer that?
Let's hear it.
The hospital took a blood panel. Blood alcohol level was 0.04%, which is well below the state's legal limit.
Nothing further.
Doctor, state criteria aside, could a 0.04 blood alcohol level impair my client's ability to think clearly?
I wouldn't think so, no.
No?
No.
What if the alcohol was just part of the equation?
I don't follow.
Sights, sounds, oxygenated air. Could all of these elements, combined with the alcohol in my client's system, create an environment of intoxication?
It isn't a medically recognized condition.
Well, neither was post-traumatic stress disorder before 1980, Asperger's before 1994, or SARS before 2003. Huh. Isn't that right?
I guess so.
This casino created an environment of intoxication, which by definition is a predatory practice, and theretofore is illegal.
She's slandering the entire gambling industry. Theretofore, we ask that you dismiss this nonsense.
Given the facts limited to this case, I'm allowing the trial to proceed.
Parker, the woman's a whack job. She's in love with her plant.
Psychologists refer to Dr. Foley's condition as object sexuality. A few years back, a world champion archer married the Eiffel Tower.
Okay, that won't help us win the case.
True, which is why we won't be arguing OS in court. I'm having Teri pull the minutes from every board meeting that our client's dead museum director attended. If he gave Audrey permission to take parts from their Louis XIV, there should be a mention on record.
And if there's not?
We'll burn that bridge when we get to it.
Okay.
The Graysonator! What's up, man?
What was that?
Nickname?
No.
Okay. Hey, so hitting the bar after work for the game, if you want to join.
Sure, what game?
The big one.
Dodgers Giants?
Right, yes, of course. That is the big one, right?
Thought they didn't play till tomorrow.
Yeah, well, yeah, no, but this is the big one before that big one.
Sure. See you there.
Okay.
Well, you were right about Marcy. She was awful. I know, I'm so glad that I finally got to tell her off after all these years. Oh, damn it, I just thought of one more thing I should have said. What?
Ew, gross. I know. Oh, God. What the? Is he gonna jump?
Maybe he just needs some air. I mean, I've been in that building. There's no ventilation and it smells like Cheetos.
Yeah, he's gonna jump. Call the cops. I'm gonna go talk to him.
What are you gonna say?
Don't jump. I didn't know anyone else was out here.
Stay back!
Okay. I'm just out here for some fresh air. Would you at least tell me your name?
I'm Donnie.
Hi, Donnie. I'm Jane.
I really wish you'd go back.
I really wish you'd tell me what's wrong.
I lost my job.
Okay, well, that's not so bad. You know, millions of Americans are unemployed.
You know, my wife left me, and I lost visitation rights to my kids because she thinks that I'm mentally unstable.
Well, you know, you are standing on a ledge. Sorry, I was just kidding.
There's a new school in Calabasas. It's built on contaminated soil,
Okay.
and the kids will get sick. And I've tried to stop the opening, but no one will listen.
Did you talk to a lawyer?
Dozens! They all think I'm crazy.
Well, we all go crazy from time to time. You should have seen me when they canceled all my children.
Jane!
Step away, ma'am. Sir, you need to come with us. It's for your own safety.
Donnie, I'm a lawyer. And if you step down off that ledge, I will help you.
There she is, modern-day superhero.
Well, I wouldn't go that far.
You ran up to a rooftop and saved a man from jumping. You deserve a cookie.
Ooh. Wait, you don't bake.
Oh, Cassie does. She dropped them off this morning.
Homemade. That takes time and care.
She said she couldn't sleep. How's your crazy guy? I heard the cops took him away.
He's on a 72-hour hold at Mercy General. And I don't think he's crazy. I've been doing some research. He's a soil engineer with a PhD from MIT. He claims that a developer built a high school on toxic soil.
Bingham, I just heard you saved crazy Donnie.
You know Donnie?
Mountain West Corp is our client.
What? That's the company that built the school.
Donnie's been a thorn in their side for months. I had to get a restraining order to stop him from picketing in front of their office.
Parker, how do you know that Donnie's concerns aren't valid?
Oh, no.
I'm just saying that...
I'm gonna stop you right there.
Fin-
You cannot represent Donnie. Conflict of interest.
But...
That's an order. Oh, cookies.
Are you Teri Lee?
I am anyone you want me to be. Yes, that's me.
Consider yourself served.
Oh, no, thank you.
Terry, I'm heading out.
Please accept this complaint on behalf of Miss Lee.
Wow. Oh my God. You're being sued by Marcy LaRose.
What?
She's suing you for slander per se because of all that stuff you shouted at the seminar.
Well, I will sue her right back for attacking you. Bam!
Actually, you can't. When you called her a Hoover, you impugned her chastity. See, under the law, you can criticize Marcy's makeup or hair or pretty much anything else, but as soon as you insult her sexual decency, it's slander per se.
Hello, 1920 called. They want their law back.
I know, it's really archaic, but it's still on the books.
Well, the joke is on her because I have no money. Obviously, she's never seen my car because I use the passenger seat as a napkin.
Terry, until the lawsuit is settled, they've put a lien on your mother's house, which is technically in your name. You lose the suit, she loses the house.
Oh, no. I need you to fix this.
No, I can't. I'm a material witness. But I will find someone.
Actually, I think I'm fine.
Terry.